Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 and 5 tutorial. So in today's video, what we're going to be going over is something nice and quick and simple, and that is just how to fix inverted textures, as you can see here. So we're going to be going from the left to the fixed version, which is on the right. So what you can see is this is just a very basic door I've created in Blender, where I purposely messed up the materials. So if we were to get close, you'll notice that these are actually wrong. So we're seeing through the material. So dead on, it doesn't look too bad, because we're seeing the other side of the door. But if you go through, you'll notice the same on this side as well. So what we're doing is actually seeing behind the texture, if that makes sense. So again, you'll notice it a lot up in this corner here. We're seeing behind it instead of in front of it, like so. But if we were to go over to the correct version, you'll see it's actually like this. So we've got the depth of it. We're seeing in front, not behind. So this is very, very easy to fix. So let's go over it right now. So the ideal way of fixing this is actually within Blender itself, or the 3D modeling program it was created in. However, there are multiple reasons why you might not want to or be able to do this. For example, let's say you didn't actually make this, so you've not got the blend file or whatever it is, you've just got the FBX, or maybe you don't know how, or maybe even inside of Blender it is working fine. That does sometimes happen as well. But if you do want to try and fix it in Blender first, I'll show you how to do that. You can go into Blender, go into edit mode, make sure to press A to select all, then you want to go to Mesh, Normals, and then Flip. And that will then flip the normals, which will fix the issue you're having here. And then you obviously just re-export it and then import it back into Unreal. But what we're actually doing today is obviously fixing it inside of Unreal, so this is also simple. What we're going to do is go to our content browser, and we just want to open the material which is broken. If you don't know which one it is, just select the problemed mesh, and then double click the material here to open it up. All we need to do in here is in the bottom left under material, we're just going to tick two-sided, press apply, and that will then fix the problem. Now we're not going to be seeing through it, it's going to be on both sides. So you can't really tell much in the editor, but obviously we will be able to tell on the door itself. So when we close it, you'll see this is now perfectly fixed, looking as it should. It's got the depth, it's actually facing the correct way, we're not seeing through it and looking at it from behind. Because again, we were seeing the back of the texture, we want to see the front. And that is really it. That is the problem now solved for us of how we can flip textures, flip normals, invert it, whatever you want to say. Different softwares and programs have different terminology, but the base one is basically flipping normals. This is how we fixed it inside of Unreal Engine, and this works in both 4 and 5. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.